Namaste everyone. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to give talk on Vimanas in Ramayana. Being an aeronautical engineer, I feel proud to talk about Vimanas described in Ramayana. This lecture I am going to explain various descriptions on Vimanas, Ramayana, and also the technology behind it, similar descriptions of the technology from Vaimanika Shastra. In this lecture, I am going to explain various descriptions of Vimanas in Ramayana and the technology behind it, and also Vaimanika Shastra descriptions of similar technology. So I am aeronautical engineer working in Vedas company, Vadadi Engineering Design and Analysis Services. Descriptions of Vimanas from Ramayana. Aranya Kanda. So this is the sloka. The translation goes like this. Then the miracle air chariot of Ravana, which is miraculously designed to appear and disappear at the wish of its master, yoked with miraculous mules and built with its golden wheels and parts, appeared afore Ravana, braying noisily. So let us see the descriptions from Vaimanika Shastra. So they have mentioned that the Vimana will appear and disappear, right? So let us see now what similar descriptions I have decoded from Vaimanika Shastra. You can see sky-like appearance shloka. This is from Vaimanika Shastra, the photo which you see in this slide. So the retranslation goes like this. Sky-like appearance is the heading of it, shloka. And these are the instructions given to the pilot in Vaimanika Shastra. So according to sky techniques or sky devices, by mixing black mica solution with neem and bhunagar, earth snake decoctions, and smearing the solution on the outer body of Vimana made of mica plates, exposing to solar rays, the plane will disappear and look like the sky and become invisible, appearing like the sky. So how can we interpret it? The chemicals or the materials described in this shloka may be producing sky blue color solution, which when applied on the Vimana makes it look like sky, making Vimana disappear or unnoticed. So here in this case, there should be a special device which can make this solution spread all over the Vimana, which could be possible if there are any tiny openings all over the skin of the Vimana connecting to the produced chemical solution container inside the Vimana. So the next sloka which I am going to explain is about the Sundara Kanda. In this they have described about Pushpaka Vimana. It is obtained by rigors and expertise. It is the one which moves about by thoughts of concentrated mind, and it is made from various significant parts with an appearance of parts equal significance, collected from here and there from all over the world. So let us see the descriptions from Vaimanika Shastra. So in Vaimanika Shastra, this is a shloka. Right side we can see a shloka photo. So that is the first instruction given to the pilots in Vaimanika Shastra. So left side we can see the translation. Uh, Next slide I am going to show the retranslation. So manufacturing technology, manufacturing related retranslations of pilot instructions chapter in Vaimanika Shastra. So the retranslation goes like this. Through mantras with the help of resonance and vibration phenomenon, first we remove obstacles and achieving abilities of rapid production power, the basic things required for Vimana are obtained, and then the remaining parts are focused with the energy of magnetism and attraction for materialistic things for manufacturing Vimana. So the resulting Vimana will be strong and cannot be destroyed in any manner. So interpretation, like I have said, there are lots of sound waves and even modern technology still developing, modern science also. So we cannot reach the ancient advanced technology and science yet, but still there are some researches going on the sound waves. So these are some of the descriptions from modern science and technology. So sound waves are connecting to the building blocks of the universe. the energies and properties changing matter. So there are various mantras described in Sanskrit shloka and give a very lengthy ritual kind of information, but when we translate it into technical terms, the above sentence is formed. So that's what the Sanskrit words having various meanings. It is a coded language, and thus when each of these mantras described in the Sanskrit shloka, when we translate it into technical terms, the ritual shlokas result into something technical procedure to manufacture a vimana. And these are the examples of modern technology and equation, matter, wave, and quantum mechanics. All matter can exhibit wave-like behavior. For example, a beam of electrons can be diffracted, just like a beam of light or water wave. So matter waves are a central part of the theory of quantum mechanics, being an example of wave-particle duality. So the detailed mantra descriptions and translations need to be analyzed with experts, and also need further investigation also how mantra waves can influence matter. This also need to be studied. So now in this sloka, it is about protection under the feet of the husband, Sita's husband. She said that it is better than being on top of a lofty building, or in aerial cars, or in moving through the sky, or in attaining all types of positions. So when Sumatra enters Rama's palace, he notices houses, means rooms similar to flying divine cars. So it is from Ayodhya Kanda. So let me explain what exactly it says. Means what the description of Vimanas goes like this. It is able to attain all types of positions. Means it is able to move. Here we need to understand that it is not like modern aircraft, just single form. The ancient Vimanas has multiple forms. It can transform into various shapes and positions. So here in this is a shloka from Vaimanika Shastra picture you can see, and this shloka is about contraction. So retranslation as mentioned in the machine parts or manual section, when the Vimana is flying at a speed of with fully extended wings and there is danger ahead. So by operating the 7th switch in the Vimana, the wings can be made to fold. So if you all know about Pushpaka Vimana in Ramayana, I'm going to explain in detail about it in the next slides. So if you remember, it also has wings. So this in this sloka from Vaimanika Shastra, they are explaining that the extended wings are there. When there is a need to fold it, it can be folded. The contraction is there, and the devices which they have used are Agnopa Samhara Yantra, means it is a folding up device used for contraction of the Vimana parts. So interpretation, danger could be that in higher altitudes due to supersonic speed, and expanded wing causes drag also, and if there are any obstacles also, and also it could catch fire due to friction of air and wings. So it also explains foldable wings which could be having sweep back wing mechanisms. And I have done research on the Vimana Shastra diagrams and the shlokas descriptions. So there are many like that advanced features of the Vimanas. It can keep transforming as per the altitudes and as per the missions. For example, mission on the Earth, it will be in one form, and when it wants to go to space, when the Vimana wants to go to space, it will be transforming. So there are no different types of flying machines like for on the Earth now we use aircraft, and to go to the space we are using a rocket or space shuttle kind of. So but in the ancient times Vimanas are so advanced, they are so multi-purpose. So they can retract, for example we can see modern day aircraft landing gears, it can be retracted, right? So similarly ancient Vimanas, it has many such advanced retracting and contraction, like they have said mentioned in this shloka. So there are many such advanced features of Vimanas. So here Agnopa Samhara Yantra. So this device, it could be the device or link responsible for folding the expanded wings of the Vimana. So now expansion also is there, the similar mechanism. So expansion according to ITER technology, when the Vimana is in the first and third regions of the sky, when there is air in abundance, by operating the switch in the 11th section of the plane, the wings are expanded suitably as described in Valmiki Ganita. So Vistrita Kriya is the device which is responsible for this as per my research. So it is an expanding location in the middle of section of Vimana. So interpretation, this explains the lower and higher atmospheric regions and air abundance region also. So when the air comes and hits the wings, then it can go much higher speed. So like that, depending on that, that pilot should be modifying all these things. So they are described in which the Vimana can fly with expanded wings. So ether technology is mentioned because in this Loka energy source also they want to describe. So that's why they might have described this ether technology also. Modern technology is not so advanced to understand all these great things, but still we are in the developing stage. Maybe after some decades we can understand this much high technology. So it also describes here, or there could be another reason where ether means akash or space. So that also we can interpret. So the space technology terms also can be interpreted into this loka. So it also needs further investigation. And Vimana part used is Vistrita Kriya, which is responsible for expansion of the wings in Vimana. So now this is another sloka. It is said then that Sumantra entered Rama's palace, which was like top of a mountain, like unmoving cloud, which contained houses equal to excellent divine cars, like crocodile entering the ocean containing a number of precious stones. So nobody obstructed him. So this is a experience. And then when Bharata meets Rama after his exile, he sees the bed of dharpa, grass, and wonders how a prince like Rama and his wife Sita slept on grass blades, while they were supposed to sleep in the palaces similar to flying chariots of gods. So they have mentioned cloud, right? So see now how in Vaimanaka Shastra they are describing how to make the Vimana look like cloud, means disappear. So here read translation. This sloka from Vaimanika Shastra. Cloud-like appearance, mixing pomegranate juice, bilva or whale oil, copper, salt, kitchen smoke, granthika or Google liquid mustard powder, fish scale decoctions, and adding seashell rock salt powder and collecting smoke of the same solution, exposing it to solar heat enveloping the cover, the Vimana will have the appearance of a cloud. So by doing all these procedures which they have mentioned, they can make the Vimana look like a cloud, means appear like a cloud. So interpretation, what we can interpret it. Like I have told you, modern technology is not so much advanced, and even Sanskrit also, nobody is so much perfect that they can understand all the words. So we have translated maximum which meet maybe like 90% maybe, but still there are many things to decode and to understand, because I have told you that there are multiple meanings, and we need to understand perfect meaning and implement it perfectly in the sentence to understand it perfectly. So now interpretation goes like this. So this again describes similar style of making Vimana unnoticed by projecting it similar to the cloud. We have seen a sloka which makes the Vimana look like sky, right? So now this is a sloka which is explaining to the pilot instructions given to the astronaut, how to make the Vimana appear like the cloud. So the materials used may produce cloud like grey or white color chemical solution or smoke which will be surrounding the Vimana. So that could be the possibility which we can understand with the with the knowledge of modern technology. Or the solution will form vapor all around the Vimana, which makes it look like a cloud, and the Vimana surrounding in cloud-like appearance. to escape an enemy attack or alien people, and also to be unnoticed. So the translation, having ever dwelt in palaces, this is from Ramayanam again. The upper apartments resembling the chariots of the gods, and in terrace furnished with excellent carpets, decked with the heaps of flowers, perfumed with sandals and aloes, like unto a bright and towering cloud, re-echoing to the cries of parrots, surpassing the finest of palaces, which were cool and fragrant with perfumes. So Hanuman, upon entering Ravana's palace in Sri Lanka, for the first time he sees Pushpaka Vimana and also feels Ravana's palace is a big as a flying machine, as big as a flying plane. So there is another sloka, similar descriptions. So being shown by the best among women like a cloud by lightning, being worshipped like being carried by the best swans, like an aerial car full of splendor of good people in the sky. So this is another sloka. Now similar descriptions from Vaimanika Shastra, the technology and science behind it. So transforming shape. The Vimana is so advanced, the ancient Vimanas so advanced that it can transform its shape. So let us see how advanced it is. And see, this is a picture from Vaimanika Shastra pilot instructions again. So retranslation when we have done in our research. So as stated in the subject of oils, by preparing Gridrajinava Kumbhini and so all these oils and rubbing to the distorting mirror in the Vimana with them, applying it to the 19th kind of smoker, charging it with Kuntini Shakti, electricity in the Vimana. Shapes like lion, tiger, rhinoceros, serpent, mountain, river will appear and amaze the observers and confuse them. So see how advanced is the ancient Vimana. It is going to completely appear like a different various types of animals and also like mountain. So in Ramayana we can see many like there are some slokas which describe that Vimana is like mountain. So we can understand how advanced they were. So this explains creating a smoke or vapor surrounding the Vimana using mirror and oils reflect various animals selected by the pilot. See how advanced it is and how many options pilot has. He can choose many things. So when he wants to the Vimana to look like lion and make the enemies get afraid, so then the pilot can use the device and click on it, and then the Vimana appears like lion. So like there are many such advanced features. So then the smoke around the Vimana, it hides the Vimana showing only animals. So it is so advanced. So this when I was doing research with the team, so we also thought that this could be something like making the viewers think. For example, smoke is there. So when we smell in that smoke, then we can see something else. So this could be that also. There are so many possibilities. We need to think of so many possibilities because modern technology is not that much advanced. And also I'm going to explain something about holographic images also. So there are such interpretations also which we can do about all these descriptions, advanced technology descriptions from Vaimanika Shastra. So now again this is another advanced description. I like means what it makes the Vimana to look like beautiful like a lady. Let us see the translation. By attracting the 13 kinds of producing force mentioned in the force production subject, applying snow surcharged air and protecting it through the air conveying tube to the Pushpini Pinjula flower mirrors in the front of side of the Vimana and focusing on the Suraga beam. A heavenly damsel bedecked with flowers and jewels will appear on to the onlookers of the Vimana. So what happens when they are using this device Pushpini Pinjula, all these things. So what happens, the Vimana will be looking like a beautiful lady. So let us see how So let us see how they are using this. Means they are making the enemies to get attracted to this Vimana, and then they will be shooting the missile. So how advanced their technology is. So interpretation, this explains projection of holographic image of a beautiful lady. So this is just an interpretation which we have made, holographic image. So this will make the pilots shocked and attract towards the Vimana, which would be easy for the Vimana to attack them. So that's what they are trying to do. So, and this is again another description from Ramayana. So what it says, there the great Hanuma saw a great aerial car, the best of aerial cars, shining with the name of Pushpaka Vimana, Pushpaka, with the rays of precious stones and capable of traveling long distances. So entire description of Pushpaka Vimana was given through Hanuman in Sundarakanda 8th Sarga. And again translation, another similar description of Pushpaka Vimana. So Hanuman saw that aerial plane which Rakshasas, who were great eaters with a face beautified by earnings, who roamed around in the sky space, and thousands of genii with round eyes, crooked eyes, and wide eyes capable of great speed carrying it. So let us see how we can interpret it, and there are similar descriptions of it in Vaimanika Shastra. Here in this sloka we can see the translation is methods bringing terrific shape on for the Vimana. So as stated in vapor subject, by producing 32nd kind of vapor through mechanism and charging it with the solar power or light of heat waves in the sky, projecting it through the flower-shaped wheel tube to the Bhairavi oil-smeared Vairupa Darpana located at the top of Vimana, and whirling with 132nd type of speed, means a supersonic or high Mach number. A very fierce and terrifying shape of the Vimana will emerge, causing utter fright to the onlookers. Since they are making the Vimana look terrific shape that the whoever sees the Vimana will get afraid. So that one. The devices which they have used are Vairupa Darpana, which means different various shapes, appearance reflecting mirror, and Padma Chakramukha, which means wheel appearing like a flower at the Shirobhaga, at the or at the top head end or the crest of the Vimana. So these are the devices which they have used. And interpretation, as I have told you, I am going to explain modern one of the modern technology. So a method to hide the identification of Vimana by projecting to the viewers terrific shape will make them scared. The word Darpana means not exactly mirror, but something which can reflect. For example, as mentioned in the Vimana parts, the Vimana is similar to human body. They have written, and similar to pressure points also. There are many interpretations. So I'm still in the process of writing the second and third meanings of the complete book Vaimanika Shastra. I'm going to explain in one of the future sessions in this webinar. The first meaning of Vaimanika Shastra is about machines. So, and the second meaning when we translate, so it gives some other meaning, spiritual meaning also, and universe related meanings. For example, Vimana means universe example, a sun, and pilot or astronaut means the energy driving it. So there are multiple meanings we can extract from this great Sanskrit coded text. So, and there is also other researchers, great researchers. One of the researcher has done a translation of a sloka. That sloka will be describing that God has 100 heads and 100 hands. So when he tried to translate it to technical meanings, then he got the meaning that of a detailed construction procedure, how to construct a motor. So when he constructed the motor, it is showing so much advanced efficiency. Even the modern technology is not having that much advanced thing, so it is more efficient. So there are multiple meanings of these great texts. We need to extract all the science and technology in all the forms. So now coming back to this, uh, so we can understand the word darpana in various forms. Also, we need to translate it properly and interpret it. So now we can see the reflection of it. Same way here, Vimana Darpana meant the projection. 3D projection, virtual image techniques, methods are described. So Vairupa Darpana is holographic image projector. This is just interpretation which projects various shapes. So examples in modern technology we can see here, Innovation Center, dinosaur hologram.